A quiet economic transformation is happening globally. A new digital middle class is emerging. These professionals earn through digital skills rather than physical location. Cloud engineers, cybersecurity specialists, data analysts, AI operators, platform architects, remote consultants. Their earning potential is no longer tied strictly to geography. The internet has reduced geographic barriers. A skilled professional can now contribute to companies across borders. This creates income mobility. But it also creates competition. You are no longer competing only locally. You are competing globally. This shift changes how careers are built. Skill ownership becomes more important than job titles. Continuous learning becomes normal. Professional security is tied to relevance, not tenure. The digital middle class thrives on adaptability. Technology evolves. Platforms change. Tools shift. But systems thinking, cloud literacy, security awareness, and data competence remain transferable. This new structure offers opportunity. It also demands responsibility. The digital middle class is built intentionally, through deliberate skill development and strategic positioning. And it is expanding rapidly.